Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C50 and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Let's enter. And as you can see, we've been transferred directly to this graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. As you can see, I've been using it for 25 minutes, and it is also divided into particular apps on which I've spent most of the time. You can check also the unlocks count and the notifications which you've received. And if you want to, you can check some further details using two different ways. You can tap directly inside the graph and we will be transferred to the dashboard, which will show for how long you've been using the whole screen time in particular days. Here you've got also the apps listed. You can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. And the second way is to tap directly on the app, so for example the themes. And here again the dashboard, but this time it is only connected with this app. Again, we can change the screen time to the notifications and times opened, and from daily to hourly. So basically this is how to check the total screen time, but just a quick disclaimer about the ways to disconnect, because I really think it can be useful, especially nowadays when we are actually attached to the devices all of the time. So if you need the time for yourself, you want to rest, you don't want to be disturbed, you want to work, you want to sleep, you want to focus, and so on, whatever reason you've got, you can set the focus mode, bedtime mode, or the dashboard. It simply means that after picking particular sets, particular modes, your device will, for example, limit the notifications from the most distracting apps, so for example from the social media, in particular days, in particular hours, and thanks to this you will not be disturbed, so you will be able to focus on one thing which you're doing, on working, and so on. So I highly recommend to check those options because they may be quite useful. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to check the total screen time in your POCO C50. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.